Concrete fans, welcome back to, what do we call this show? It is the joy of concrete. I am back with the Formbox, the Mayku Formbox, and you know, I've been having fun with the Mayku Formbox. Thank you Mayku for this Formbox. It's a lot of fun. But today we're going to try something a little different. I've got a pile of gummy worms. Anyone like gummy worms? I sure do. Anyone like gummy worms?
I sure do.
We're going to see what we can do with gummy worms, the Formbox, and some concrete. So let's give it a try. First things first, I've got my gummy worms. I'm going to take this nice, beautiful pile and put it onto our Mayku Formbox screen. Just kind of, that's a pile of worms, right? Flip this one over. I don't know what this is going to do. I hope it doesn't wreck it. Ben, if this wrecks the Mayku Formbox, I'm sorry. I don't think it will. These handy instructions, we're going to go to temperature setting 5. We're going to set the timer for 1 minute. And temperature setting 5. Timer at 1 minute. And then here's our start button. So first things first, we need our plastic too. Let's put our plastic into the Formbox just like this. There it goes. Plastic in the Formbox. Now we bring this up, lock it in place, and hit the timer button. Oh, and then we should put our worms. There they go. Okay, gummy worms. So this is going to be a multi-part experiment. We're just waiting for this thing to tick-tock down. Let's use some video editing magic, and I'm probably going to speed some of this up. There we go. Okay, get ready. Okay. Whoa! Oh yeah! Okay. So that's pretty cool. There's our gummy worms. Take a look. We're gonna turn this off and let it just cool down. And we're gonna come back to this a little bit later. We'll go to the next step of our plan. Thanks, everybody. Catch you very soon. Later. We're back with the Mayku Formbox and the worms experiment, and it mostly worked, but some of the worms melted. The screen didn't get too bad, but we got a little bit of melted worm around, which is whoa, okay, whoops, yeah, well, this is going to take a little extra work. I don't think you need to watch me wash this thing, but well, we're going to come back to this. And now we're just going to add a little bit of sriracha water to our gray matter and start mixing.
Just a nice little mix. There we go. See, it's just starting to come together.
It's looking very, very nice.
We designed gray matter to be able to take just about any kind of color it needs to take using all natural, high quality, artist grade mineral pigments. Oh, this is going to be a great color. Look at this.
So right about now, you could make your life a little easier and add more water, but that would be a big mistake. You just got to keep mixing through. And watch what happens. This is gonna thicken up. There it is. There we go. Perfect. Oh, I love it. That's nice. Now we've got our worms mold and our gray matter. And I'm gonna just drop some right in the middle here.
A little bit more. I actually have no idea how much concrete this is going to take, so I made a guess. And now, I'm just going to tap it out. You know what? One of the best things about using the Mayku Formbox is how quickly you can test out an idea. Being able to see an idea go from start to finish in literally, half a day. And if you're quick about it, maybe even just a couple of hours. Really, the thing that's actually going to take the longest at this point is letting the gray matter set up. So, I think it's going to take every last little bit, but I think I may have mixed just enough, hopefully. Let's see. Now, one of the fun things about using a plastic mold is we can take a peek underneath. Oh, air. I can see my air, look. Air bubbles.
Hopefully all that air is coming on out of there.
All that air is coming on out of there.
Just keep tapping. That's better. And I think we're good. I'm just gonna scrape my edges into the middle. And then we're gonna have to let this sit. So I got this Tupperware container. Plastic container, I guess it's not Tupperware, but I had a sandwich in here for lunch. But I ate the sandwich, so now we can use it to help stabilize our mold as this sets up. Because it turns out a pile of worms is not that stable. So we're going to support this mold from the edges. And you could use anything, an old rag, a pile of sand, whatever. But there we go. Hey concrete fans, we are back, and here's our worms, candy worms made into concrete worms. Let's see how it turned out. So these thermoform molds are, I'd say the biggest challenge with them is that they are rigid and they don't want to flex that much away from your casting. So you need to be very careful about how your mold is made, or else you won't be able to get the mold, the concrete, the casting material out of your mold without damaging it. Yeah, and looking at this, I can tell you there's a number of problems with this mold. That spot, that spot, that spot. We got spots that are really going to lock in place. And this little worm here, I'm worried about losing it. Oh yeah, and that spot under there. I'm going to get some scissors. We're going to come back. Scissors. So we're going to cut this one off. And while I am a proponent of, reuse, recycle, all of the things, I also want to get this out in one piece. So I guess I was not careful enough with my worms, and this is what I got. I can deal with it though. You know, first let's get that part off the worm. See how much of this we can get off without wrecking anything here. I'd love to get this out in one piece. Let's cut this. Cut that. Cut that. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, we're close. Oh, so close. Come on. Oh, no. Come on. Nice and gentle. Yay! There it is. There's our worms. Thank you, Mayku Formbox, for helping us make a pile of worms. So I hope you had fun. I hope you thought this was interesting. And I'm going to be doing a few of these types of videos. I'm very interested in the idea of being able to fast, rapid prototype anything, even a pile of worms. So yeah, tell me, let me know what you want to see me make. I'll thermoform it. If you think I can thermoform it, I'm going to try to thermoform it with the help of the Mayku Formbox. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. I'm going to get back regular with this. We had some shutdown for the studio, but we are up and running and everything. We're in a new space, and I got this new, beautiful, doesn't look like much here, I guess, but it's going to become a lot easier for me to make videos now. So hopefully we're going to see more videos. But yeah, let me know what you want to see. And thank you for tuning in. And thank you, Mayku Formbox, for letting me fool around with your stuff and make weird things. I appreciate it.
Have a good rest of your day.
And if you're looking for more tips, equipment, pigments, and our magical gray matter, you can find it at www.concreteconcrete.com. Thank you.